Hello again, friends. How are you doing? It's Nikki and welcome to my channel. I'm back with you again because I got another package right after I did that Bath & Body Works unboxing. The UPS guy came to my house again and guess what was at the door? Well, you probably already know if you saw the title to this video, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. More Scentsy, yay! So I did this order. This came fairly quickly, about 10 days ago, and it got delivered yesterday. In here, I'm going to be doing a bunch of first impressions of, because I believe all the wax that I got are things that I've never smelled before. So I'm going to just do a first impressions, first sniffs type of review for you guys. I have a couple other things that I hauled, so come take a look with me. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing by clicking that red subscribe button below the screen here. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are returning to my channel, welcome back. And I hope you'll also give it a big like. All right, let's dig into this Scentsy box. Okay, the first thing is I have some pink cotton washer whiffs here. This is the first time I'm going to be using the pink cotton washer whiffs. I got it in the small tub just in the event that I don't like it or if it's too light. I figured I would use this for my towels and my sheets. I love clothesline for my actual clothes, but let me sniff this one out. This is nice. This is like a clean cotton scent with some berries, which is exactly what the wax, which I love. The wax smells like, so I'm excited to give this one a try to just give my clothes a little bit of a scent boost. Washer whiffs are a lot like the Gain or Downy scent boosters. You know, those little beads that you put inside your washing machine before you put in your clothes, and it's supposed to give it a little extra scent. This is what this does. Okay, I have 3 dryer discs here. I love the dryer discs. They really give your clothes just a little bit of an extra boost of scent. I have 2 clothesline here. Like I said, clothesline is just a great laundry scent, very clean, and it's very, very strong. So if you're looking at the Scentsy laundry line and you want something that's gonna be strong, clothesline, you can't go wrong. The only ones I've tried other than this is Amazon Rain. In Amazon Rain, it didn't give that much scent. I would say it was on the very light side. So if you're like me and you like a lot of scent to your laundry, clothesline is what you're gonna be looking for. I also have one in pink cotton to go with the washer whiffs that I bought. Now these come, they come in 2 discs. I'll open this up here for you so you guys can see. Usually people just put 1 in and they say you can get about 15 loads. I put in both at the same time, and I usually get about 25 to 30 loads. I would say about 30 loads actually. Maybe I get more than that. I'm trying to think of how many I've used with this one. I think I'm at 25 loads with the 2 clothesline that I have, and I think I probably have a few more loads. So if you use 2, to get a little extra scent out of your clothes, you're more than, you can do that. It's not going to ruin your clothes, and you'll use this until you're not getting, you can't smell anything on either your clothes or on the bar. But these work really great. Okay, next I have wax. I haven't gone through this yet. I just opened up the package, but I know that there's 12 bars in here. I think 12. I have the International Wax Collection, which I'll go through last. And then I have some other wax that I have never tried before, but I'm excited to smell them and check them out. Okay, I lied. I actually had 10. For some reason, I thought I had 2 sets of 6, but I had 2 sets of 5. So I'm gonna go through these. Let's see what I picked out first. This is Jumpin Jellybean. This is from the Bring Back My Bar collection. I believe everything from the Bring Back My Bar collection, even though it was extended to the end of July, has been sold out. So if you're looking for this, you're probably gonna have to wait until the next Bring Back My Bar. It definitely smells like candy. My kids will probably like this. So it might be a little too sweet for me. It smells like, first of all, I don't like to eat jelly beans, but I like the smell of candy. It's definitely a candy scent, but it smells like, I don't know if that's a is it a pear or is it like a lemon lime jelly bean? I don't know, but that's Jumpin Jellybean. Seems like it's going to be kind of strong. Seems like it's going to be a good summer scent to melt, and my kids will probably really like this. Okay, next I pulled out Havana Cabana. I have not tried this one yet. Let's see. Ooh, this is nice. This smells, I have pineapple, coconut. It smells like a Hawaiian drink. This is going to be nice. It seems like it might be a little on the lighter side, but we'll check it out. By the way, I will put all the official Scentsy notes for each of these scents in the description box below if you want an official Scentsy kind of description of what each bar or scent smells like, or so they say it smells like. Okay, next is another Bring Back My Bar, and it is White Sands. White Sands, I heard some really good things about this from another YouTuber, Mr. Kong's mom. She does a lot of great home fragrance reviews. I'll link her channel down below. This one seems like it's beachy, but it's like a warm type of beachy. And I mean warm, not like a hot day, but like a cozy type. This would be really good in a bedroom. Yeah, like a cozy beach is kind of how I would describe White Sands. I'm intrigued by it. I can't wait to try it. This one, you might not even need to just do in the summer, even though it says White Sands, it's supposed to be kind of beachy. I think you could really do this if you do it in a bedroom. You could do this all year round. So excited for that one. Okay, another Bring Back My Bar is Beach. Apparently I'm going with the tropical beachy theme. Ooh. This is tropical and beachy, but maybe a little bit of floral in there too. It's like a fruity, floral, beachy scent. I really like this on cold. If it translates well, or if it translates like it does here, warmed, I'm really gonna like this. So this is Beach, a Bring Back My Bar scent. Okay, sticking with the beach theme, I have Rio Beach. And let's see if this one is anything like the other beach. Ooh. This is beachy also. This one has maybe a little bit more fruity to it, and maybe a little bit of coconut that really like softens it out a little bit. This is Rio Beach. Excited to check this one out as well. So far, I haven't had any except the Jumpin Jellybean I wasn't that thrilled about on cold, but I'm gonna remain optimistic. All right, I have Churro here. I heard about this one. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, well first, I heard about this one when Lisa Roberry, who is my Scentsy consultant, I will link her channel down below. She mixes a lot of scents with this. In fact, I think her favorite is apple butter frosting with Churro. And Churro is definitely, I don't know if I'll melt this in particular for summer. This is definitely a bakery scent. This smells like a churro, like a Disneyland churro. You get that bakery doughy smell. You get that cinnamon sugar, and it's very prominent. So it's definitely not a background. You get, oh, that cinnamon smells really nice. And I don't even like to eat churros. I know I'm weird, but I love the smell of them. And this smells exactly like it. It smells strong here. So I'm hoping that it's strong too. It might be a nice one to mix. Maybe if there's more of like a cooler summer day, I don't know if we're get that, but maybe like mixing in a blueberry or an apple type scent, not apple butter frosting in particular, but like a Johnny Appleseed or something like that. This would be really nice. So that is Churro. I'm liking it. Sorry about the glare. I have my windows open in the back to get some natural light, so it might reflect off the plastic. Okay, the next 5 bars that I have are from the International Wax Collection. This is a limited time collection from Scentsy. I don't even know if it's still available. Last I checked it was, but don't hold me to that. These are like just favorites from outside the United States that they are bringing for a limited time here for, you know, Scentsy American buyers. So let's check them out. Okay, the first one that I pulled out is Salted Lavender. Look how pretty that wax is. It's just a really light purple, and I mean, it goes perfect with the lavender name. Ooh, that is nice. It's not powdery like I thought it would be. It is very floral, but there's a crispness to it. Not like an apple crisp, but like I guess a salted fresh air. Very earthy too. I'm intrigued by this. Salted Lavender. This is definitely a great springtime scent. If you're a seasonal melter like me, I would save this one for spring, unless you just wanted to see how it smelled. But this one is smells very strong on cold too. So I wonder if this translates. If you have tried any of these scents, by the way, let me know what you think down below. Is it like a really strong performer, or is it really light? Does it last a long time? Are the scents great? I want to hear it. Let me know down below. Okay, the next one I pulled out is Lucky Starfruit. All right. Okay, this is a floral, but it's fruity, almost a citrusy, like a citrus berry fruity with a little bit of floral to it. I like this. I think I might be able to melt this summer too. Lucky Starfruit. I really like that. I've heard really good things about it too, but it definitely was not what I was expecting. So I'm excited to check this one out. Have I said that about all of them, that I'm excited to check them out? Because apparently that's a theme around here. Okay, the next one is actually the one that I've heard the most positive things about, and that is Strawberry and Rockmelon. I don't know what Rockmelon is, but let's check it out. Am I gonna be the unpopular one? I don't know if I like this on cold. I do get a little bit of strawberry, like a candied strawberry. I get like a melon, but I also get like that, almost that Jumpin Jellybean scent. But I mean, they were closed, so I don't think that scent would get into here. I just smelled the bag just to see. I don't smell that in the bag. Maybe a little bit of orange in there too. I mean, it seems like how I described it would be something that I would like, but I don't know if it's just too much of it mixed together, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Seems like it's gonna be a strong performer. Everyone loves this one, Strawberry and Rockmelon, so I'm gonna give it a chance. It's a really pretty peach colored wax, by the way. There's probably some peach in there too. Strawberry and Rockmelon. Okay, this one is Pacific Sandalwood. I need to just smell my air, try to not mix scents in my sniffer here. Ooh, this one is nice. This is, again, not what I thought. This is very soft, creamy, cozy. Sandalwood is very light on this one. I smell almost like a cashmere. I gotta look at the notes on this. Pacific Sandalwood, I like this. This is another one that would be great in the bedroom. Holy moly, Pacific Sandalwood. This is wonderful. Check it out. Okay, the last one that I have is Windowsill Breeze. This one I'm really excited about because my oldest daughter, loves laundry scents. And anytime I'm able to bring a laundry scent into wax form, she gets really excited. So let's check this one out. Wow, this smells just like a dryer sheet to me. Like a Bounce or those Costco Kirkland fabric softener sheets. Holy moly, that smells just like, it reminds me of my grandma's laundry. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean, it literally smells like her type of laundry. I like it. I'm definitely going to keep this one. Well, obviously I'm going to keep them all, but I'm definitely going to melt this one and see what she thinks about it, my daughter. And I really like it. This is Windowsill Breeze. What a great, authentic laundry scent. It's awesome. All right, that is my latest Scentsy haul. I don't have anything Scentsy coming, at least right now. I've seen just a tad bit of previews about the fall and winter catalog that's coming, and I really need to like tread lightly with it because I've seen some warmers that are amazing. I've seen some wax that sounds like it's gonna smell amazing, but I really need to like tighten up how much I'm gonna be buying. So fingers crossed that I can do this, but I'm so glad that you got to see what I had here. I wanna hear if you've tried the International Wax Collection or any of the other bars, or if you're a fan of the Scentsy Laundry. Let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts on everything. And thank you for spending the last few minutes here with me today. If you liked what you saw, again, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.